Hello guys, my name is Ashraf and welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to the internet, welcome to my quarantine. So in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to add your own watermark in your video. Yeah, so we're gonna be using the very common app which is known as InShot. I just want to do it in just in a couple minutes and you see it how it can be done. So let's get started. To follow what I'm doing, so if you want to add your own watermark, you're going to first do this. You just have to add a text. Yeah, let's say NTV. So when we add NTV, you know it's already in fade. So let me just do it again because it's already in fade. So say NTV. So it's NTV. So you're gonna enlarge it a little bit and you put it aside. So you have to make sure that it does not fade. It does not affect your video, because it may affect your video and you won't like it. So I'm gonna show you how to add it in. You just have to come here. You choose the letters of your choice. For example, I may choose those ones, or I may choose these ones, or I may choose these ones. Any of your choice which can make it look good. So I'm gonna use those ones. So after you come here, so when you come here, there is borders, there is shadow, there is label, and there is an opacity. So I'm gonna use opacity. So in opacity, you're going to scroll going to your left side, just like I'm doing, like this. So when I do this, it appears again. So when I do this, it disappears slowly by slowly. So that's how you can add it, you see. So when you make it like that, it won't affect your video, like it won't affect the quality of your video. So you're gonna need to put it like to make it to the start of to the beginning of the video and then to the end of the video. So when I play it like this, it's all over my video. So that's how you can add your watermark in a video. I hope this video is helpful for you, and please don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to turn on your bell notification. Yeah, and thumbs up as well. Thanks for watching.